The BK601Pro Soldering Station features a powerful 120-watt precision soldering iron that is perfect for professional and hobbyist use alike. Its large liquid crystal display provides clear visibility, enhancing user experience by offering easy monitoring of temperature adjustments. With microcomputer control, the soldering station ensures stable temperature and voltage, making it suitable for delicate electronics work. The device offers a wide temperature range from 302 degrees Fahrenheit to 896 degrees Fahrenheit, which caters to various soldering needs. Convenient features like automatic sleep mode and temperature presets help extend the life of the soldering accessories and save energy. The included kit comes with essential accessories like a lead-free solder roll and a desoldering pump, making it a comprehensive package for any soldering task.